So good morning, friends. Today we will discuss about the regarding to find the voltage of Nokia 1100 mobile. So before that, I want to show you some sound in this multimeter. What kind of sound we can hear? I will explain you by step how it is. So it is a beep sound. How it will come. So in multimeter. We should keep this arrow mark in this position. This beeps on this position. We should keep this arrow mark to this position, then automatic beeps on will come. Not automatic, we should touch these two. See, I kept this arrow mark in this beeps on mark, and afterwards we should join these two like this. See, beep sound is coming now. Okay, so like this beep sound will appear like this. Okay, then next I want to show you one more extra thing. So we can check the voltage. How we can check voltage for this mobile? See, the next time these two things. Yes. See what I done here. I have one extra damage, well, not damage, it is a good condition where there is no any issue. Then I connect this. How much this mobile battery, how much power supply to the mobile, so we can check it out now. Before that, I want to keep it this arrow mark in this position 20. Okay, to 20 or 200 1000. Okay, now we can see how much power this mobile take, how much this mobile battery, how much power supply to the mobile. That is the thing. In this mobile, this is the mobile name is Nokia 1100. So we can find the how much voltage this mobile consume. Okay, we can see now. We can see. We should keep this one here and should keep this here. So we cannot get any type of we cannot see the screen any type of voltage. So okay, better we should remove this battery and we can find the how much voltage we can get it. I will show you one more time. I will switch off this mobile. Okay, then I will show you how much power, how much voltage we can get. This is a Nokia black and white mobile battery, Nokia BL-5C, Nokia BL-5C. This battery is for black and white. Now we should keep one red, see, like this, and another like this. Three point nine. To show one more time exactly. Now you can see 3.9 volt. But I want to keep it near to this position like this way. Then I want to connect now. Now you can see 3.9 volt. 3.9 3.9 voltage. 3.7. That's the thing only. I want to keep it here and I want to show you like this 3.9. If it is showing negative means we can change our arrow mark. 3.9 4 volt 3.9. Actually in this battery the voltage is 3.7 in the screen they written, but when we check it out in the through a multimeter we can get the detailed information like this for 3.9 or 4 volt like this 4 volt like this. Okay, if you want to like this video, if you get some good knowledge from this video means you can press the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.